As a child, I used to have a lot of dreams, very vivid dreams. And I used to tell my mom, today I spoke to Krishna. Today I spoke to some blue man whose feature does not look like a human being.
When you were 4 or 5 years old, like, wasn't that freaking you out at that point of time?
I was always interested in this. One day I just woke up and something happened in my dream and something said, ki now you have to take control. I was very scared of telling anyone because I thought the world is not ready to hear what I can do or what I can contribute to humanity.
I think people might call you crazy.
Yes.
What is Akashic records and how does that work?
So Akashic records are an energetic space where किसी भी soul का जो एक journey है उसका सारा information वो Akashic records में होता है.
Can someone know their past life?
This is something which is I can't even explain into the words.
Have you seen your Akashic records?
I have been.
Am I always going to be born as a human?
No.
Sushant Singh Rajput का जब ये mishap हुआ था, unfortunately, there was this YouTube channel. The person was talking to this angel, and you're like, "Oh, please connect me to the soul of Sushant."
Shant, can you hear me? Hello?
YouTube पे है कि Sushant के voice में he somebody saying that what has happened with him. Is that something very true, or is it something के okay?
So that is what.
A question asked by many. हम शायद सबको नहीं पूछना चाहते, कोई हमें लगेगा हम पागल हो गए हैं, क्या बातें कर रहा है, कुछ भी पूछ रहा है. ये नहीं होता है, because if you feel there is energies around you, yes there are. Is there a parallel universe? Yes there is. Is there guides who are guiding you consistently? Yes there are. But how can one actually get connected to these people? Well, I have an answer with you, but I'm not the one giving it to you today. I'm going to have a guest of mine. She's pretty, she's wonderful, she has lots and lots of knowledge when it comes to this. Best part is कि उन्होंने ये सीखा नहीं है. It's kind of a gift that she has since she was a kid. Although she adored it and accepted it when she came a bit more of the adulthood, but that's perfect and that's okay because it was a gift from the universe to her. Today I have with us Danita Amol Rege, who is an Akashic reader, intuitive channel, and spirit communicator. Well, how are you going to find this podcast? I'm not going to tell you anything because हमने इसके बारे में बहुत सारे बात किए. शायद आपको आपका soulmate भी मिल जाए इसके अंदर. You never know, but you have to watch this podcast all the way till the end. That's the only way it will be worth it. Stay tuned. Welcome, Danita, to Kabirwani podcast. And you are an Akashic reader, you're an energy healer, you're an intuitive channel, and you're a spiritual healer.
Yes.
Did I get everything?
Yes, that's true. Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
You're welcome. I'm really grateful you've taken this time out, and all these energies are here with us. And tell me more. How does this Akashic work? And let's start from the beginning. First, you tell me that how you got into these practices that made you realize that Acha, you have these powers as well.
So I would like to start from the beginning. As a child, I used to have a lot of dreams, very vivid dreams in detail. And I was like 4.5 and 5-year-old. And I used to tell my mom, today I spoke to Krishna. Today I spoke to some blue man whose feature does not look like a human being. Or today I did this and that. And she used to say ki, or the entire family used to think ki because I am a child, I am having those kind of
imaginary friend.
Yeah, fantasy stories to say. But I think my journey began from there. Then I always was very intuitive. जो मैंने कहा वो हो जाएगा. So then people, the family used to say कि अच्छा इसकी काली ज़बान है. You know? So then as you growing up, you start restricting yourself. So there was this phase from the teens to I finished my education and all that. I really shunned those gifts and said कि नहीं ये सब तो कुछ नहीं होता, हमें ही करना आता है, whatever we are here only. I was always interested into this. palmistry ले लो, face reading ले लो. So वो सारा भी जब education चल रहा था तो simultaneously used to happen, and I used to found friends also who would be interested into all of that. I Ching ho gaya, you name it, and I have
You're practicing.
experimented
Okay.
with that.
Okay.
Ho gaya, life happened and all of that. I don't know what happened in 2006.
Hmm.
I always like to believe that tarot found me.
Tarot
That
what?
was
I'm sorry.
tarot cards.
Okay.
That modality found me.
Okay.
That was my first thing that I learned.
Okay. That was in 2006.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there was this low phase that I was going from,
Hmm.
and I think that led to this discovery where I started searching for more answers. What can help me? I need more deeper answers and all.
Hmm.
That's how my journey started. When Akashic record reading happened, then I always used to feel, oh, I'm not a channeler. I'm not a channeler. I'm not a healer.
Hmm.
Because I've not practiced
Practice.
any formal healings. So I used to say that. So that is what I was just telling you, how I discovered that, because the healing people kept coming to me for getting healed. They said,
Hmm.
नहीं आप ही हमें कुछ solution बताओ, आप कुछ तो करो.
So you were attracting those people आपके पास.
Yes, because I would. So after my own journey, and so I would like to say that I was a closet healer for longest time.
Really?
That was also my journey.
मुझे ना few things आपको जाननी है. So when it happened, when you were 4 or 5 years old, like wasn't that freaking you out at that point of time?
No, that used to be an extremely pleasant experience.
Wow. Okay. Being a
Because-
kid and then you're still okay with that.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
And I used to remember the conversation also. I would get up in the morning and I would tell mom, okay, this is the dialogue we had. I said this, he said that, and all of that used to happen. No, it never freaked me out.
Great. But this is
I
while
was
you were
very-
sleeping. आप सो रहे थे, सपने में हो रहा है ये कि real life में while you were wide awake?
When I am experiencing that,
हाँ.
मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि I am able to contribute
हाँ.
there in the conversation, or I am able to maneuver my physical movement into
हाँ,
that dream.
हाँ.
So yeah, but it was never scary.
Okay.
I always felt very happy, contented in myself when these intuitive incidences were happening, or when I was seeing these kind of dreams, which were kind of a message. Now I understand it. They say it,
Okay.
that those were the messages that I was getting.
Getting through. Okay, completely understand. Now, since you're growing up, you said that you were losing out on these because you were not ready to accept. तो
Right.
आपको exact acceptance कभी आया जिसमें आपको ऐसा लगा कि हाँ, you know what, maybe this is my calling.
So my journey started from 2006, and then, as I said, for longest time I was not doing anything about it. But somewhere in 2016, I started feeling that void. Ki, what am I doing? I started asking myself questions. What is my purpose? Why I am here? Why all these things like the dreams बोलो या intuitive feelings जो आ रही है वो क्यों हो रही है? ऐसे तो नहीं होता कि normal लोगों को सब हो रहा है. So lot of churning happened, and I really used to feel that kind of a void inside my heart कि ये कितना भी कुछ कर लो, आप vacations ले लो, आप movies देख लो, favorite food खा लो, nothing is helping me to fill up that void.
Right, understood.
So the moment there was this time, one day I just woke up and something happened in my dream, and something said कि now you have to take control. I said किसका control? क्यों control? हम तो ऐसे तो कुछ नहीं है कि मैं बड़ा सा company run कर रही हूँ और I have to take control. So I sat in the meditation and I told my guides, please show me the path. And that day a client, a very close friend, called up because she used to take readings and healings from me. So she said कि विनीता, मुझे कैसे लग रहा है कि I came across someone, तो उनको देख के मुझे ऐसे लगा कि विनीता can also do this. I think you should start your professional journey from here.
Okay, the universe was answering you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, it was answering my question. So then I discussed with my family, and they were very supportive of it.
So
I
you're
said,
married at this point of time, right?
Yes.
So were you sharing with your husband? Wasn't he freaking out? ये क्या हो रहा है?
No, and that's a surprising part. The way he supports me is मैंने कभी expect नहीं करा था, and he's very proud, and he tells all his friends and like that. So
Okay.
that kind of support is also important,
Very
because there was this phase, as I told you, I was very scared of telling anyone because I thought the world is not ready
Ready for it.
to hear what I can do or what I can contribute to humanity
Hmm.
because of my past experiences
Hmm.
where it is not accepted very easily when you have certain kind of
I think
gifts.
people might call you crazy या फिर
Yes.
some other names that you don't want to be called.
Yes,
तो हो
absolutely.
सकता है ऐसा हुआ आपके साथ कभी भी पास में? That
नहीं, thankfully मेरे मुंह पे आके तो किसी ने
किसी
नहीं
देने वाला
बोला.
होके.
Yes, thankfully.
Great.
Whomever I have been meeting so far, they have been really very welcoming and very receptive to what
Okay.
I have to tell them or how I can help them.
Okay.
So,
I
yeah.
think it's probably because Benita, when I'm talking to you right now, you have a very positive, vibrant energy. So होता है ना कि कभी कभी हम सामने वाला क्या करता है वो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ये मैटर करता है कि सामने वाले की जो एनर्जी है वो कितनी पॉजिटिव है, कितनी वाइब्रेंट है, वो मैटर करता है. एंड I'll give you this that I'm talking to you right now. I'm very excited. I'm very happy and I'm feeling very relaxed. So
Thank
I give you that because for me vibing is very important. And कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि पॉडकास्ट के टाइम पे ना I have to go and tell Bhakti, I'm like यार I'm not vibing with this person. I'm not sure how the podcast will go, right? But I'll tell you this today that I'm absolutely able to vibe with you
Thank
very
you.
easily. So I give you kudos for that.
Thank you.
Coming back again to your beautiful journey that you're going through right now. You said you started meditating and asking help from your guides, right? Now, how do you? So what happens is that many people are not even able to meditate.
Yeah.
है ना? वो लोगों के लिए शायद वो 2 मिनट शांत रहना भी एकदम difficult हो जाता है.
Difficult.
So how did you manage to sit there in that calmness where you know that जैसे आप बंद करोगे आंखें आपको शायद कोई energies दिखेंगी या feel होगी and you were able to ask for help. What made you do that and how did you practice that?
So, I think हम सब meditation कर सकते हैं. We have certain notions कि अरे बहुत thoughts आ रहे हैं. So it's about practice and setting an intention. जब आपने decide कर लिया है कि मुझे I have to find the light within me. Okay, so you will say कि okay, this is a fixed time, this is a fixed place, I'm going to sit here, and that's your first step. उससे पहले थोड़ा सा I would like to take you back and see that spirituality was always the way humans were living their life.
Correct.
It's a way of life. ठीक है. We being aligned with the divine, with the light and the energy, taking care of ourselves with breathing properly, meditating or exercising. So that's a way of life. जब हम वो समझते हैं कि this comes naturally to me, मुझे ये सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है, and this much I own to myself. So वो आप प्रैक्टिस करने बैठ जाओगे रोज. पहले 5 मिनट से स्टार्ट करो, फिर 10 मिनट से स्टार्ट करो, when you can deepen your practice. But वो intention होना चाहिए. अब I people come to me and they said कि मैंने 4 दिन try किया. I tried to sit in the meditative state but नहीं होता है. It doesn't work like that. आपका intention होना चाहिए that you also need to have that कि अच्छा this thing I want to change about myself. अभी अगर हमें स्कूल में 10th में percentage अच्छे लाने हैं because we want a admission somewhere else, we are going to put an effort, right?
Naturally.
So you cannot expect कि meditation भी ऐसे ही हो जाएगा. So I think
I think that's where most of the people fail. That the first दिन पे they want that enlightenment.
Yes, probably. और दूसरा people also think कि meditation मतलब you should be in a thoughtless phase, which is not true. हमारा तो monkey mind है. So many thoughts we are having during the day. So हम जब accept कर लेंगे कि thoughts तो आएंगे, उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप. बट मुझे क्या करना है एज अ कॉन्शियस बीइंग, मुझे वो थॉट्स के साथ इंगेज नहीं करना है. अब मैं अगर यहाँ बैठ के सोच रही हूँ कि अच्छा जाके मुझे ये सेशन अटेंड करने हैं, मैं उनको मैसेज कर दूँ कि 10 मिनट में लेट आऊंगी. आई एम एंगेजिंग इन टू दोज थॉट्स, बट मुझे थॉट्स आएंगे. या सो वंस यू एक्सेप्ट दैट कि थॉट्स तो आने वाले हैं, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फर्दर एंगेज इन टू इट. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दोज thoughts will pass by and you will be able to achieve that state in few days. So practice makes you perfect.
Practice makes you perfect.
Yeah.
Do more practices. I think that's what it is.
Yeah, and there is also what type के meditations होते हैं, so you can choose the right one.
Okay. Can you give us an example for someone जो अब चालू करना चाह रहा है और उसके लिए जो easiest way of meditation क्या हो सकता है?
Guided meditations are easiest because आप 2 टाइप के guided meditation choose कर सकते हो. One which is with music, one is just the healer or a mentor is guiding you. So उसमें क्या रहता है कि you're completely focusing on the word and the music that they are using. So फिर chances बहुत कम है that you will deviate your attention.
Okay, so that is there, and you can find those on YouTube.
Yes.
Or do you have
YouTube's
one for your own, which you allow people to listen to?
I write my own meditation script, which I use in my meditation circle.
Okay.
But sometimes I
think
think
you should make a
YouTube
nice YouTube video for it too, na? Like put it out there for people to reach out more.
The thing is that ki after the day's work, you are so exhausted that you don't
You
want to
don't
do
do that.
anything
I understand.
additional.
I understand.
But YouTube पे काफी free meditation music and guided meditations are available. जो audience जो सुन रही है उनके साथ जो भी resonate होता है, they can pick up that one of those
Okay.
and they can start their journey. Start with 5 minutes, then take it up to 10, 15.
They can reach out to you as well if they want to learn, right?
Yes, definitely. They can reach out to me to be part of that meditation circle that
Okay.
I run.
And then they can be a part of a group to do it, meditate
Yes,
together.
I started that circle in 2020 when I realized people were going through the trauma of COVID.
COVID, yeah.
Everyone has faced that. So that's a monthly and bi-monthly activity that we do, group meditations that
Okay.
we do.
Wonderful, wonderful. We'll leave that in the description so people can find you there. You spoke about in a way of spirituality, right? So many people's spiritual ways are different. So what is spirituality as per you?
For me, spirituality is not different than who I am. It is part of me. मतलब spiritual life कैसा होना चाहिए कि आप बहुत ही अवेयरनेस के साथ जी रहे हो, आपके डिसीजंस लोगों पे कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं, व्हाट आर द रिपल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ योर एक्शंस, योर इंटेंशंस एंड योर डिसीजंस. दैट इज अ वेरी अवेयर लाइफ. एक, आप उसमें कर्मा कम क्रिएट करते हो. दूसरा, यू मेकिंग दिस अर्थ अ बेटर प्लेस टू लिव. बिकॉज अगर सब अवेयरनेस के साथ जिएंगे, सो देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ पीस एंड हार्मनी. सो दैट्स द स्पिरिचुअल वे. दूसरी एक चीज है कि आप अपने साथ भी, खुद के साथ भी कर्मा क्रिएट करते हो.
Okay.
So if you not drawing boundaries, if you don't know how to say no, if you are not aligned, मतलब मेरा मन नहीं है फिर भी I will say yes and I will go to that party or I will go to that thing कि लोग क्या कहेंगे ये सोच के. अगर आप सोचते हो कि मेरी फैमिली मेंबर्स को कैसा लगेगा, that's a good thought. But अगर आप सोचते हो कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, then you're not doing justice to your own self. That's not an aligned living. That's not a spiritually aligned living. So these are the few things that you can be very mindful of, and then you are actually living a spiritual life.
Okay, so that's what spirituality works for you.
Yes.
I really love it because I think I resonate the same for me, I feel. Although I'm working a lot on it now, so consciously. Going towards the journey of energies as we are talking about right now, you said you're also Akashic reader. What is Akashic records and how does that work?
So Akashic records are an energetic space where किसी भी soul का जो एक journey है, जब से वो creator से अलग हुआ है और अब तक का journey है, आगे क्या journey होगा, उसका सारा information वो Akashic records में होता है. All the intention, words spoken, actions taken, everything is recorded into that record. So it's like you being watched. आप जो भी कर रहे हो, every moment आप जो भी कर रहे हो, वो वहाँ record हो रहा है.
Okay.
So it's that kind of and a vast information available to us. City के बारे में पूछो, country के बारे में, humanity के बारे में पूछो, how the world has evolved like this. Oh, everything is available. Condition एक ही है, you are ready to receive that information.
Okay, and anyone can receive that.
Yes,
That's
yes.
possible. Okay.
ये मिसकंसेप्शन है कि आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड सब नहीं रीड कर सकते या स्पिरिट कम्युनिकेशन सब लोग नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स अ कंप्लीट मिथ. वी ऑल आर बोर्न विद इंट्यूशन. We just need to pay attention to those intuitive messages and work on developing those intuitive skills. सब ये कर सकते हैं. Actually, I would say Akashic record read करना is a birthright for everyone.
आपने बोला कि everyone can read through it and every single information is part of this record that you can access to. सबसे पहला question, can someone know their past life from there as well? Is that how it works as well?
Yes.
You can.
Yes.
Okay, so you can ask him, "मेरे past life में कैसे थे और क्या थे?" What does your past life talk about you?
So here I would like to say something extra than what you have asked. कभी कभी लोग ऐसे क्यूरियोसिटी के लिए आते हैं, अरे अच्छा मुझे जानना है कि मैं पास्ट लाइफ में क्या था, मैं क्या कर रहा था।
I'm one of those right now.
यस, बट मेरा एडवाइस हमेशा ऐसे लोगों को यही रहता है कि इफ नथिंग इज हैपनिंग इन योर करंट लाइफ, इफ एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग वेल, और अगर आपको ऐसे कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि मुझे ग्रो होना है, बट देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच इज पुलिंग मी, मतलब देयर इज नो नीड फॉर यू टू गो बैक इनटू द पास्ट, तो रिकॉर्ड्स ओपन नहीं करने चाहिए,
Okay.
बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी पोटेंट एंड सेंसिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन। तो ये हम इंफॉर्मेशन यूज करते हैं व्हेन समवन कम्स टू अस सेइंग कि विनीता, यू नो दीज आर द रिपीटेटिव पैटर्न्स दैट आर हैपनिंग विद मी, मेरे इतने ब्रेकअप्स हो गए हैं, अरेंज मैरिज करना चाहा तो एंगेजमेंट नहीं हो रही है, या कोई अच्छा प्रपोजल नहीं मिल रहा है, या फिर फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज हैं कि पीपल आर टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ योर फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन। जब आप रिकग्नाइज करते हो कि दीज आर द रिपीटेटिव पैटर्न्स, then you should open the records. There are unexplained fear and phobias, then you should open your records, because most of the time these things are coming from the past life.
From the past.
There are physical pain that I have been able to help people कि see some of the chronic pains जो होते हैं या autoimmune diseases होते हैं, those are very karmic. बट अनएक्सप्लेन, आपने सब ट्रीटमेंट कर लिया है, आपने सारे टेस्ट कर लिए हैं, अभी आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ये पेन क्यों हो रहा है। मोस्ट ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम योर पास्ट लाइफ, तो आपको पक्का आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड ओपन करना चाहिए।
Okay. You know, I love that. I really love the explanation that you gave, that when a person should look into Akashic record, right? So, you know, you gave a very powerful explanation where कुछ हो रहा है आपकी लाइफ में तो ही आपको आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स को चाहिए।
So, my only thing is कि आपको ये सारी चीजें बहुत सीरियसली लेनी चाहिए। अगर आप नहीं मानते हो तो डोंट गो टू हीलर एंड आस्क देम कि अच्छा मुझे जानना है कि पास्ट लाइफ, मतलब अगर कुछ हो रहा है और आपको यू हैव दैट विलिंगनेस कि आई वांट टू गेट हील्ड और आई वांट टू चेंज समथिंग अबाउट माय सिचुएशन, देन प्लीज कम, because yeah.
But let's say if somebody is, you know, they've got married, they got a bad husband or a bad wife, unpleasant human, let's call it, और you know किसी को बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है, या हो रहा है भी तो गुजर जा रहे हैं बच्चे को, you know miscarriage हो जाते हैं, ये अगर उनको आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड वो खोलते हैं, so how does आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड help them solve their past karmas that may have been done to fix what's going on now?
Okay, so I will answer this with one of the examples from my own practice, that there was this lady who came to me and said कि विनीता, मैंने सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया, मैं कंसीव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, शादी के इतने साल हो गए। So when we opened her record, and this is a very genuine question that she came up with, so we opened her records, and in one of her past life, when she was blessed with conceiving, she kept thinking कि अच्छा पहले एक बच्चा हुआ, in one of the past life she abandoned that child, second time हुआ तो I don't want this child, whatever the reason, because I am not going to get into the detail of what her life was. So once she abandoned it, second time she ate something which she was not supposed to, so miscarriage हो गया। So what is this happening? You are, you know, creating a kind of a karma where you don't need offspring. So वो अभी ट्रिगर हो गया है ये लाइफ में, आपको वो कर्मा तो पे करने ही है। So that's kept on happening. So that's one incident that happened. One of the time when I was just sitting in my own meditation and I asked my masters कि क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है कि काफी लोगों को अच्छे स्पाउस नहीं मिल रहे हैं, you know they are willing, they are changing, they are manifesting, but फिर भी उनकी शादी नहीं हो रही है, या बहुत सारे कपल हैं कि कितना ट्राई कर रहे हैं बट उनको बच्चे नहीं हो रहे। So there is this one segment, this is what my master said, there is one segment of human being who are ascending. तो जब आप शादी करते हो, जब आप बच्चे करते हो, you are creating your karmic contracts, right?
Yes.
जब आपकी शादी ही नहीं होगी, आपको बच्चे ही नहीं होंगे, you are completing your journey here with people around you, with your soul family.
Correct.
So there is this one segment of human beings around us who's ascending, and that is why they are probably not getting the spouse or they are not getting the kids, because उनका journey ये lifetime में खत्म होने वाला है, either with the soul family, या फिर as a soul journey they probably will take a break or they will start their own journey somewhere else. It could be anything, but this is the explanation I got
from there. Oh wow, that's amazing, you know, lucky for them. Right,
yes,
take
lucky
some
for
break.
them.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you know, if by any chance that is what's going on, it could be one of those explanations. Then
Yes.
be happy about it because you might take a break from this world.
Yes.
That's amazing. So tell me a little bit about you, right? So you seen your Akashic records?
Yes.
You have seen your Akashic records. So
Many times.
tell me who
That is how we practice. First, we practice on
practice
ourselves,
on
and then
yourselves.
we start.
See, so
healing
tell
for
me who
others.
Pranita was before this.
So the lifetimes that I have seen, all the time I was either a healer or a nurse or a medicine woman doing something or the other.
Always
for
taking
the-
care of someone.
Yes, community. Yeah, I have been a nurse into a medical facility in the middle of World War II, where I have seen people losing their limbs and all. And I am standing at the door of it on the last day of my life, and I'm telling my guides, I don't want to get into this physical world where you have to see this, because वो World War II के time में इतने soldiers आ रहे हैं, they are so much in pain, they are losing their limbs and all of that. And I see at that time my guides, they take me away, and then the next lifetime what I saw was I was in a very simplistic surrounding where I am healing people from the nearby area through plants. So
Through
yeah.
planets.
Plants.
Or through plants.
Yeah.
I'm like, wait a minute, what are you trying to tell me? Okay, have you been human all your life? I mean, all your lifetime karmic accounts?
No, so plants, I said.
Okay. So, but have you been human always?
Yes.
Okay.
These are the human lifetimes.
Okay, this was human life.
Yes.
How about something else? Have you been on a different planet or anything like that?
So
Have you seen anything like that for yourself?
Yes. So recently, when I was on my own healing journey, when I started feeling the blockages, and I had a lot of difficulty accepting that okay, I can also do healings and transformation into other people's lives, because this we are talking about not of the Akashic reading and healing that I have always been doing, but this is something which is I can't even explain into the words, and I had a lot of self-doubt, and my masters took me to one of this lifetime. I am not from this earth, and it's a fascination to come and see that blue planet, that looks like a moon somewhere. And yahi chakkar mein, I have spent almost 4,000 years here doing what I am doing.
What do you mean?
And once you are into Earth School, you cannot skip the journey that you have to take.
Okay.
ये Earth School का rule है कि जो भी यहाँ आता है उसके वो karmic cycle complete किए बगैर जा नहीं सकता. मेरे जैसे there will be so many people who are ascending and they feel that they don't belong here, or they feel that they are here to do much more than what they are doing here right now. Like contributing to the humanity.
Okay, so in 4,000 years, how many life cycle have you seen for yourself?
No, I didn't go there. I was just concerned with, as I said, कि जहाँ ज़रूरत नहीं है, I would not tap into those past lives.
Okay.
But as a healer, these lifetimes were shown to me because they were the key or the answer to the obstacle that I was facing in this lifetime.
What did you get those answers to be able to? And were you able to fix them?
Yes.
So once,
and I came up with my own personalized healing sessions that are, I can't name it, because uska koi aisa that I channel it from my guides and I pass it on to the person who's asking for the healing.
Okay. So now those healings that you're talking about, does that really happen that if someone has done such a bad karma in their past life, वो ये life के अंदर वो actually fix कर सकते हैं कि उसका जो उन्होंने किया है उसकी माफी मांग रहे हैं कि they still have to go through it because they have done that karma of theirs?
So जो karma है वो तो we all will have to go through it.
But does it lightens the
yes. Forgiveness, compassion towards others, it really helps you to lighten the karma. Another thing is that कि जब हम earth पे हैं, why everyone wants to come onto the earth and release their karma, because हम यहाँ हमारे 5 senses से जीते हैं.
Right.
So if something is cut on my hand, मुझे वो दिख भी रहा है, मेरा logical mind सोच रहा है कि अरे मुझे जल रहा है, और मेरा physical body is in pain, right? So मैं काफी, it's just not one singular way I am feeling that pain. There are 3 ways, 4 ways I'm feeling that pain. So what I'm doing, I am releasing that karmic debt faster.
Okay.
That's why the soul wants to come on the earth school to release that journey, complete that journey faster, release that karma faster.
Okay.
Because हमारा ये 3-dimensional world है. So that is one of the reason.
Okay. Now, talking about the souls, right? What I would like to know is that does soul, like you said, the soul comes to the earth, so उनको जो उनके past karmics है, they want to make it easier or make it faster, so जल्दी जल्दी यहाँ से खत्म हो जाए. So do they also select their parents or the family that they want to come to?
Yes, they do select. Parents अपने बच्चे नहीं select करते हैं. वो soul select करता है कि मैं ये set of parents के पास जन्म लूंगा.
Okay.
अब वो select करता है soul.
Okay.
So अभी ये सारा selection कैसे होता है कि when a person dies and goes into the white space, they meet their guides. हमारे सबके साथ 1 से 3 और जैसे आपकी लाइफ की जर्नी है वैसे आपके गाइड्स भी बदलते रहेंगे बिकॉज दे नो ये फेज में आपको हमारी जरूरत है, ये फेज में आपको उनकी जरूरत है. सो एंड देयर आर 2 to 3 गाइड्स, दे आर ऑलवेज विथ यू. जैसे हमेशा आपके साथ रहेंगे फंडामेंटली सिंस योर बर्थ दे विल बी विथ यू. सो वो हमारे गाइड्स हमें गाइड करते हैं. देन आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल इट अ काउंसिल ऑफ लाइट वेयर आवर एंसेस्टर्स, जो हमारे असेंडेड मास्टर्स हैं या हमसे ज्यादा जो ज्ञानी है, वो सब काउंसिल के पास हम जाते हैं. देन लेखा जोखा होगा कि भाई आपने ये लाइफ टाइम में क्या किया. सो वी विल टेल देम कि ओके दीज आर द लेसन्स आई हैड इनिशियली डिसाइडेड कि आई एम गोइंग टू लर्न दीज लेसन्स विद दिस सोल फैमिली. सो इसमें से कितना अचीव हुआ, 80% अचीव हुआ, 90% अचीव हुआ, 100%.
And this is your soul talking to the guides.
Yes,
Okay.
to the council.
Correct.
Okay, with the help of our guides. कि ये इतना अचीव हुआ है. So they will say कि अच्छा ठीक है, now you write down what you want to do. तो हम बाकी बच गए हैं हुए लेसन भी सीखेंगे और आगे तो बढ़ना है, इवॉल्व तो होना है. So 2-3 और लेसन्स उठाएंगे. Someone who says कि अच्छा मैं 7-8 लेसन्स में कर सकता हूँ ह्यूमन लाइफ में, उनकी लाइफ थोड़ी सी चैलेंजिंग हो जाती है, but that soul is ready. Okay, कि भाई मुझे ये चैलेंजिंग और टफ सिचुएशन से जाना है, but I want to finish it faster.
Sounds like an overconfident soul.
No, but those soul are ready. Because,
okay, so
yeah.
but it's still right. I mean, like you're taking all of those things right now. It's like what you're thinking right now.
So yes, what you say, 3 से 4 लेसन से ऊपर हो तो life becomes very tough and very painful.
Okay.
So that's what happens. So then the soul decides कि अच्छा ठीक है मुझे ये लेसन सीखने हैं. तो अभी ये लेसन सीखने हैं तो मेरे सोल फैमिली से who is going to help me to learn those lessons? So someone will volunteer. अच्छा ठीक है, I'm going to be the villain mother-in-law in your life, so you learn this lesson. Okay. I'm going to be the very good boss, so you understand the value of X, Y, Z, whatever you have decided.
Okay.
So that's how that blueprint is complete.
Okay.
Blueprint is created. And then soul decides कि अच्छा मैं ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा वेट करके वापस से reincarnation करूंगा कि मैं immediately जाऊंगा. So that's entirely जो हम लाइफ जी रहे हैं वो completely हमारा wish है. Only thing is हम जब human birth लेते हैं तो we forget that we have created this blueprint. और जो क्योंकि अगर हम याद रखेंगे तो then there is no lesson, there is no fun. अगर आपने कभी ऐसे पुराणों की बातें सुनी हो तो our ancestors have called this life Maya. What is this Maya? It's a game, right?
Correct.
So that is what it is. अगर याद रहेगा तो फिर तो फटाफट
हाँ, exactly. It's like a cheat sheet. But can I connect with my guides and ask them कि भाई at least blueprint तो दे दो, पूरा बता नहीं दो, blueprints तो दे दो, ऐसा हो सकता है?
पूरा blueprint तो नहीं मिलता because they know कि सारा एक साथ information आप नहीं absorb कर सकते. One lesson you have got, you have evolved, you have grown in your personal space as a person, as a soul. Then the next lesson will come and
okay.
So हाँ, उसमें भी ऐसा है कि if you are not learning the lesson तो वो same situation
will keep on coming back to you. So you have to learn the lesson to grow. Okay. A question that comes to my heart now is that because when we come, like how our ancestors have called this Maya, right? So we are into Maya right now, Mo Maya, what do you call it? But as humans have 5 senses, like you said. But इसके अंदर जो हमारे पूरे कर्म है, जैसे we have anger, we have greed, we have lust, all those things. Do they block us from learning those lessons?
So see, it also depends कि आप उसको कैसे लेते हो. What I have received from my guides is that सारे emotions सिर्फ emotion होते हैं. Okay? अगर हम कहें कि happiness, being in love is a good emotion, higher vibration. Yes, to certain extent it is a higher vibration. But if that becomes an obsession and if it starts hampering someone else's life, that good emotion turns into a negative emotion.
Correct.
उसी तरह हम ईगो की बात करते हैं, हम एंगर की बात करते हैं. Sometimes that anger is also necessary to tell people, भाई this is my boundary, आप इसके beyond नहीं आ सकते हो. या healthy ego और bad ego, ऐसे I would like to classify it, because healthy ego आपको self esteem, confidence देता है, जो
It's about your
आपको
self-respect.
self respect देता है, जो आपको लाइफ में certain things achieve करने के लिए मदद करता है.
Correct.
So how you balance those emotions is the key. So that's again one of that माया, मोह माया का हिस्सा है कि सारी चीजें बैलेंस करनी. So जैसे एनर्जी गुड या बैड नहीं होती, एनर्जी जस्ट एनर्जी होती है. अगर मेरे पास एनर्जी है, मैं लोगों को हेल्प करने के लिए यूज करती हूँ, तो इट बिकम्स अ वाइट एनर्जी. इफ आई हैव एनर्जी, आई एम मिसयूजिंग इट एंड आई एम हर्टिंग पीपल, then it becomes dark magic or dark energy or something like that. It's as simple as that.
Okay, wonderful. I really love the fact that you clarified that point, because that was something I was always thought of, that way, because it's there. So you're saying that these mayas are also required to learn the lessons here, but has to have the correct and healthy boundaries
Yes.
around it, and not overdo it or underdo any of those things, right? Now, can a regular human being, like I would call myself a very normal regular human person, right? Can I figure this out myself as well and make my life easier going further?
If your karma is off like that guru,
Okay.
कि मुझे मेरा मिशन पता है, मेरे गाइड्स मुझसे बात करते हैं, आई हैव दैट इनर नोइंग कि मेरा काम क्या है, यू कैन अचीव दैट.
Okay.
But I also have a perspective which, through the conversation or sometimes having a sessions with my clients, I have realized कि we all have decided to have a human experience. और जो स्पिरिचुअली असेंड कर रहे हैं, जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, जो अवेकन हो रहे हैं, दोज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैव डिसाइडेड टू हैव ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस. वो एक्सपीरियंस करते करते दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू असेंड स्पिरिचुअली. दिस आई टेल ऑल माय क्लाइंट्स कि आप वो ऐसे इसमें नहीं रहो लाइक अ हाउसवाइफ. ठीक है, उसकी तो जवाबदारी होती है कि फैमिली के पीछे उनको देखना है, घर में सब संभालना है, शायद बाहर जाके काम भी करना है. ठीक है, और स्पिरिचुअल कॉलिंग भी आ रही है, तो आप कैसे करोगे? द एक्सेप्टेंस. I have decided to have a human experience, and while having a human experience, I'm going to ascend in my spiritual journey. That makes it easy for everyone. Because हम लोगों ने भी तो कहीं तो डिसाइड किया होगा कि मैं ये साल में, ये टाइम में, specifically on this earth, I'm going to take birth, right?
Correct.
So we have to give that credit to our soul. That soul knows what it is doing.
It is doing. Correct. Coming to the fact where you said that we particularly decide all of these things, right? So one question that I have for you here is that I have decided to be born as a human. Am I always going to be born as a human, or am I going to take several different kind of soul interactions?
हमें ह्यूमन का बर्थ तभी मिलता है जब हमने सारे खत्म कर दिए हैं हमारे लाइफ के. एनिमल्स है, प्लांट्स है, जो भी हमें व्हाट इज लीडिंग अस टू द ह्यूमन लाइफ, वो हमने कंप्लीट किए हैं.
Okay.
तभी जाके हमें ह्यूमन फॉर्म मिला है.
Okay.
राइट. सो जैनिज्म में एक चीजें हैं कि आई हैव हर्ड my grandparents talking about it, that 4,000 जब हम लाइफ टाइम्स करते हैं, तब जाके हमें ह्यूमन का लाइफ मिलता है. And then that journey starts. So the soul that has decided to become a human for the first time, वहां से उसका जर्नी स्टार्ट होता है.
Okay.
Right? So अगर हम आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड की बात करें, तो वो रिकॉर्ड में सारा आपका होगा कि आपने कितने लाइफ टाइम्स लिए हैं या क्या आपने किया है आगे ह्यूमंस बनने से पहले, what बट वही है कि चॉइस की बात है कि आपको कितना जानना है और कितना
नहीं जानना.
Yeah.
But then once a human, then now next life would also be human, or it's also up to soul to decide?
वो हमारे कर्मा के ऊपर भी डिसाइड होता है.
Okay.
द मोमेंट वी स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट जर्नी, द बिगिनिंग ऑफ आवर जर्नी, वहां से हमारे कर्मा कलेक्ट होना चालू होते हैं.
Okay.
So when initially, Jaitar, I told you that living a very aware and mindful life is very important क्योंकि हम एवरी डे कर्मा क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. आज मैं घर से निकली, आई ट्रैवल्ड हियर टू मीट यू. रास्ते में शायद probably I've stepped down on so many insects. मैंने कर्मा क्रिएट किया है. You know, traffic में there was this biker, probably he was not giving way, या he was driving wrongly or something. If I am getting upset, I'm creating a karma. If I am thinking something bad for him, I'm creating karma. So सुबह उठ के हम कितने सारे कर्मा क्रिएट करते हैं. So living a very awakened life, very aligned life, very aware life helps you. छोटे मोटे कर्मा तो ये आज के दिन में ही क्लियर हो गए. You know, अगर आपने आज किसी को कुछ अच्छे कड़वे शब्द बोल दिए, and then you go home at night before sleeping, if you're reflecting upon how my day was, and you realize कि अच्छा मैंने उसको ये बोल दिया आज, you know, अगर आपने माफी मांग ली कि I'm very sorry, that time probably I was not thinking, वहीं के वहीं वो चीज खत्म हो गई.
Okay, so it
But हम
equates
क्या
out.
करते हैं, we are so caught up with the external things कि हमें हमारे रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए या सेल्फ क्वेश्चनिंग को टाइम नहीं होता है. तो वो एक कर्मा रह गया. Carry
So that's
forward हो
added
गया.
forward. Okay.
Yeah. So
That's adding up basically. So what you spoke about कि हम जब भी रात को घर जाते हैं और हम वो reflection देते हैं, then you know we ask you for forgiveness for that. Are you talking about similar concept like Ho'oponopono is there? You know, is that
Yes.
similar concept there?
Yes. So सारे religion में वो forgiveness का तो एक concept है ही. Ho'oponopono बहुत ही popular हो गया है, and that's also a wonderful forgiveness prayer. What I believe is आपकी intention और words, they count the most.
Okay.
अगर मुझे दिल से ऐसे लग रहा है मैंने कुछ गलत किया है और मुझे माफी मांगनी चाहिए, and I ask for forgiveness, हो गया.
Okay.
Universe just looks at your intention and
intentions.
your feelings behind it.
Okay.
अगर आज मैंने आपको बोला कि you know, I go to a party and I meet someone and I say कि superficially, oh you look so pretty, and in the mind if I am you know judging कि अरे what is this, you know, what is she wearing and all this. That universe ने मैंने शब्द जो बोले हैं उससे कोई लेना
Your
देना नहीं है. मेरा जो intention है वो रिकॉर्ड होता है. That is how my karma is decided.
Okay. Wow. You know, speaking about, I'm going to take this conversation a little bit back, right? जहाँ हमने अभी बात किया कि soul decides the parents. There is a concept called Garbha Sanskar, right? Where you want a soul which would be more calm and someone who you would look into. Calm soul, basically, what we're talking about. How would that kind of work? Then, like, isn't that like a fight between the parents and the soul? Because soul wants to come to that parent, but parents do not want that soul. How does that work?
No, it doesn't work that way. So वो जब मदर कंसीव करती है तो वो सोल तो ऑलरेडी आ गया, डिसाइड हो गया है. जो हार्ट बीट्स वगैरह, हम ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट अ मेडिकल पर्सन, बट व्हाट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड इज दैट कि जो हार्ट बीट करता है वो हमें तभी से, बिकॉज ऑर्गन्स डेवलप होने लगते हैं और जीव तो ऑलरेडी आ गया है, राइट. और जो हम गर्भ संस्कार की बात करते हैं, जो व्हेन आई डू द वूम हीलिंग, वो वूम हीलिंग में व्हाट वी डू इज कि हम कनेक्ट करते हैं मदर को वो सोल से एनर्जेटिकली. गर्भ संस्कार के काफी एंशिएंट हमारे टाइम से जो आ रहे हैं, देयर आर सम श्लोक्स, देयर आर सम काइंड ऑफ अ म्यूजिक दैट वी, सो हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा क्रिएट कर रहे हैं कि वो सोल पीसफुल हो. सो ऐसा अगर मदर को चाहिए कि मेरे बच्चे की ब्लू आंख हो, तो वो गर्भ संस्कार में ब्लू आंख नहीं होगी. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज द काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सनालिटी हु इज वेरी काम, कलेक्टेड, वेरी ग्राउंडेड. वो हमारे एंसेस्टर्स ने जो यूज किए हैं, वो जो श्लोक्स हैं, जो वर्ड्स हैं, द वे इट इज संग इन अ पर्टिकुलर मैनर, वो सारा इम्पैक्ट करता है ऑलरेडी जो जीव है उस पर.
Okay, so this is, I feel this is what you're saying. It's more way of manifesting the right soul towards you for it to select as a parents.
No, it's like more like building a good character of that child.
Okay. But then again, वो हो जाता है ना कि before I start, let's say a mother who's planning to maybe conceive, is going to start Garbha Sansar before she is conceived, right? So is there a way of manifesting a proper child or proper soul of a personality to go towards you?
हम इंटेंशंस रख सकते हैं, हम प्रेयर्स कर सकते हैं, पर जो हमारी कर्मा स्टोरी है वो तो हमें छोड़ेगी नहीं.
Okay, so
अगर किसी पर्सन को उसके बेटे या बेटी के थ्रू लेसन लर्न करने हैं, दैट इज नॉट लीविंग यू.
Okay.
anyway.
Yeah, okay, so it's gonna come
So
regardless.
वो person को शायद वो इतना सूझेगा भी नहीं कि मैं गर्भ संस्कार करूं या मैं ये करूं या मैं वो करूं.
So it's not gonna help you then.
Yes, so it's all, you know,
It's all interconnected.
Yes.
Nevertheless, comes out.
interconnected.
Great. So we're gonna take this conversation now a little ahead. अभी हमने बात कर ली soul, being in the space with the light. हमारे पेरेंट्स सेलेक्ट कर लिए, पेरेंट्स ने उनको somehow manifest कर लिया, उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ यहाँ जी ली, जो भी कार्मिक अकाउंट्स थे वो सारे उन्होंने इधर इक्वेट कर दिए या एड ऑन कर दिए, जो भी उनका लेसन था उन्होंने लर्न किया. Now what happens is that sometimes the soul they leave easily or sometimes they're stuck. There has been time जो एक इंसान इतना सारा दर्द तकलीफ से गो थ्रू कर रहा है, हालांकि बॉडी इज लाइफलेस. हमें पता है, they're not eating, sleeping, they're just laying there. The soul is not able to leave. Why is that?
कुछ जो माया करके जो that we spoke about, तो there is something around them कि या तो उनको पीछे जो उनको छोड़ के जाएंगे उनकी चिंता हो रही है, या फियर है, या वो नीड भी है कि मुझे ये earthly plane छोड़ के नहीं जाना. So that is also there. So what happens is the souls have kind of, you can actually divide them into new soul, a little younger soul, old soul. आपने वो old soul बहुत सुना होगा. So जो soul ने अभी journey start की है, and say suppose his journey is only starting from, they have decided कि अच्छा मेरा first lesson होने वाला है कि मेरे पास बड़ा authority है, and they have decided कि मेरा first reincarnation is only happening into a very wealthy family. So that materialistic pleasure, उसमें से वो एनर्जी निकाल के जाना, मतलब आई एम मिसिंग आउट ऑन समथिंग, दैट कुड बी वन. सेकेंड, अच्छा अगर मैं चला गया तो पीछे मेरी वाइफ का ख्याल कौन रखेगा, दैट कुड बी वन ऑफ द पुलिंग फैक्टर सो विच दे आर नॉट एबल टू गो इजीली. ये सारी चीजें हो सकती है. सो ऐसे केसेस में हम क्या करते हैं, वी ट्राई टू, अगर दैट पर्सन से सपोज इन आईसीयू है या बहुत ऐसी कंडीशन में, बेड रिडन कंडीशन में है, तो वी टॉक टू द हायर सेल्फ या वी टॉक टू द सोल ऑफ दैट पर्सन एंड वी टेल देम दैट योर फैमिली इज रेडी टू लीव, आपको परमिशन दे रहे हैं, योर सन विल लुक आफ्टर योर वाइफ, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट एंड ऑल. सो आई कम्युनिकेट विद दैट सोल एंड ट्राई टू ईज देम. फिर अल्टीमेटली तो उनकी चॉइस रहती है कि उनको अभी 2 दिन में जाना है छोड़ के, या 8 दिन और फिजिकल बॉडी सफर कर रही है, एक ऑर्गन बंद हो रहा है. That is also a choice for them.
Okay. But have you come across any of the such scenarios before?
Yes. So there is this person who's in coma and the family is staying far away. And it's very difficult situation because he is the family is very closely bound. तो वो भी हमारे लिए डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है टू टेक अ डिसीजन, बिकॉज कोमा से वापस आने वाले भी ऐसे इंसिडेंसेस हुए हैं.
करेक्ट.
बट द सोल सेड कि नो, अभी मैं थोड़ा टाइम यहाँ रहने वाला हूँ, सो देन यू कांट डू एनीथिंग. आई वुड जस्ट गो एंड रिले दैट मैसेज टू द फैमिली.
Okay. So they have to go through it, and some time still might be left, some breath still might be left according to that. So now
till
we know
completely the physical body withers away. या उनके कोई कार्मिक रह गए हैं जो ये physical pain के through finish हो रहे हैं.
Okay, or maybe the lesson they would have to learn. Okay. Now that's the speaking about the fact that okay, the soul is not able to leave the body. Sometimes soul leaves the body but gets stuck in the body. Right? They're not able to go out and connect to the light again. Have you had any of these experiences where you had to speak to a spirit or release them through the earth? Had you had any kind of experience like that?
Yes, many times that happens. कि accidents हो जाते हैं या murder हो जाता है, तो these incidences are very अचानक से होता है for that person. Someone must be plotting it, but वो person के लिए अचानक से होता है कि accident हो गए. Sometimes soul does not realize कि ये body अभी ये मेरी नहीं है and I am dead in this physical body. Sometimes ये ऐसे shocking incidences में जो sudden होते हैं, वहाँ कभी-कभी soul ऐसे
they get stuck.
Yes. Okay. So many times, मतलब even after doing the protection and stepping out of the house, कभी-कभी ऐसे हो जाता है that I bring back the energy, some energy that needs my help. One of the time I was going to do my usual chores. I went to the market and I with my protection, with my shielding, everything. I came back home, I was feeling very uneasy and very heavy. So I sat and I said, Ki, okay, I understand that you want to speak to me. That does not mean that you have to put so much of pressure on my shoulder that I can't bear it. Please reveal yourself and speak to me. So that energy that spoke to me कि मेरा अभी 2 दिन पहले कांदिवली हाईवे पे एक्सीडेंट हो गया है. I'm not able to find my house. I don't know what to do. So then I requested that energy कि she was a girl and I requested her, where was it? Can you recount it? Where were you? She said, yeah. And then I told her, now wherever you are standing, just look. Then that energy was really shocked. Ki, I'm lying dead. I said, yes, that's right. You are, that body does not belong to you anymore. You cannot go home now. And जब वो एनर्जी वो स्पॉट से निकल जाती है तो वो भटक जाती है, because that's the last location where the guides are going to find the energy there. So then I did whatever I have to do and I sent her to the white light.
Okay, but
So sometimes, because they know, they understand energy, they understand the light. इतने सारे crowded place में से I was the one she thought that I would be
So
able
follow
to help her, and so follow her. And वो भी they keep giving you that physical pain
Pain.
just to get your attention कि अच्छा मैं हूँ यहाँ, look at me and talk to me. I have something to say.
But are you able to actually see them, or it's just
No.
a feeling that you
No, I don't see them, but I feel them
Okay,
and I hear them.
okay, and it's a proper voice that you're talking.
Yes.
Okay, and so you said that this was an accident, right? Somebody gets killed. So do they go crazy and they go for like revenge or something like that?
At least मेरे ऐसे ध्यान में या मेरे experience में तो I have
नहीं.
never met that kind of a soul.
Okay, so you have not had your experience like that. But
Yes.
could that happen?
It could happen.
Okay, or is it
But
like
it could happen, but they will have to take over someone's body because उनके पास खुद की body तो है नहीं, cremate हो गया है या जो भी उसके last rites हो गए हैं, खुद की body तो है नहीं. So sometimes these kind of a soul, they become soul walk-ins.
Okay.
They move around the places like hospitals and all, and the soul that probably has committed a suicide or ready to leave its body, they would take that body and they would come back. That is one possibility. There are multiple possibilities, but today we are not
will
talking
be,
about
okay,
it.
great. All right, I understand. Now, can these souls be manipulated by someone who's into the dark realm, or they're doing any kind of black magic or anything like that?
If they are weaker souls, yes, they can be bound to earth
Okay,
and to the person who's doing it.
to doing that. All right. And how about the fact where you're practicing this and you know, okay, I was feeling the pressure and it could possibly be the soul.
So when you say practicing it, this I had not learned, or it just came to me. I'll tell you one incident. I always tell everyone this incident because this is the incident which is a breakthrough of spirit communication. यहीं से मेरा start हुआ. I had opened an Akashic record for someone and उनके mother गुजर गए थे 2 साल पहले. They came to me because they were going through certain things in their career and they needed an answer कि भाई why they are stuck and all. I opened the records and his mother came. I didn't know about it, anything. And I could feel the energy and I could see that she was standing there in orange sari in the records.
Okay.
So I asked that कि आपके घर में किसी को orange color बहुत किसी को पसंद है. So he said, yes, my mother, she used to love orange color. And I said, what happened to her? Where is she now? So he said, she has passed away 2 years back. I said, I see her in that same house. They were staying not in Mumbai. Mother was staying somewhere else. And her grievance was when she was passing away, when she was withering away, son didn't come to meet her.
Oh, ouch.
When that son said, I ask for your forgiveness and what you want me to do. So they're the Gujarati family. So they ask, you call Devi in your house and they have a small ritual that she asked, you have to do this for me. And the son had to ask the forgiveness for that. And one of their question was that they were not able to find some heirloom piece. That energy exactly said कि ये वाले रूम में बड़ा सा मेरा लकड़े का कबर्ड है, look below, you'll find it. That was, and I before this case happened, I had never done any Akashic record reading like this.
Okay.
And so I will not say that I can see the energy or something, but they choose to come into my space. They choose to communicate with me. They think that I will be able to help them, so they approach me.
That's wonderful, but again, because you have that senses of it. बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद ये फील होता होगा, heaviness होता है, वो होता है, but they don't know that this is what's happening with them. Could it be that a spirit or energy is trying to connect with them?
ऐसे होता है. I have worked with a person जो उनको दिखते हैं dead people. In the middle of the night ऐसे वो आके उनको उठाते हैं कि please take me, please take me.
Oh, that's scary.
And normal person, business करने वाला and young person 30-35, and he is like coming to me and says, Vinita, I am just so fed up of this कि मतलब रात को भी उठा के दे like take me, and this guy is like मैं तुमको जानता नहीं हूँ, why you someone will come to him and say कि go and tell my wife that she should be doing this, make him a messenger, and number नाम सब उनको मिलता है सुबह, and then when he calls up तो really he comes to know. He said मेरे को ये सब देखना नहीं है, मुझे नहीं देखना है, I don't want to do this, I have a family. So there are people, many people see it, but they choose to shut that their gift. So then I help to do that.
Okay, so they can stop it.
So I helped him, और काफी हद तक सारे visions कम हो गए उनके, ये encounters भी कम हो गए.
Oh wow, that's
Now तो they have like energetically, I have taught them to write कि unavailable ऐसे करके आप energetically लिख दो और रोज रात को सो जाओ. That particular trick has worked for him.
Okay.
So yeah, ऐसे होता है.
That's okay.
So these are the gifts, you bring it from the past life,
and
if you exercise your free will कि
Right.
ये life में मुझे नहीं ये gift चाहिए, I don't want to see dead people, I want to enjoy with my family, I don't want to get into this, because from my experience मैं बोल रही हूँ, एक के बाद you start going deeper and deeper and deeper. There is no stop to it. How much ever you open yourself to इतना आप energetic world में आप कर सकते हो काम.
Okay. Many times that happens as well, that you're sleeping peacefully and अचानक में तुम उठ जा रहे हो रात को, and then you feel like somebody woke you up, right? So that could also be one of those ways.
Yes, it could be one of the signs like that.
That way, okay.
Yes, possible.
So what if you are feeling that, and how do you what do you call it? How do you call upon that? Okay, how do you ensure that okay, this either if you want to happen or if you don't want to happen, how do you?
So
follow
जो ये energetically sensitive लोग होते हैं, उनको I teach them certain practices. That's one of the things I also teach in spirit communication, because ऐसे ही लोग जो spirit world से attract होंगे, जिनमें either dormant ऐसी abilities हैं या उनको already ऐसे experiences होते हैं. Okay, so I teach them certain practices that they need to do every day, so just kind of a protection. And as we have been discussing कि हमारे intention में, हमारे words में बहुत ही power है.
Correct.
So आप बोल सकते हो कि I don't want to have anything to do with you.
And it leaves you alone.
Yes. Normally these energies are बेचारे ना इतने benevolent होते हैं, इतने lost होते हैं ना, they don't have power over us. At least we have a physical body. They, poor thing, they don't even have the physical body. So
that's how it is. I mean, I know you've not seen any of these spirits, but the person who has they explained how they look like?
Yes, but they definitely don't look like the horror movie
Anushka Sharma from Pari or something like that.
The horror movie वाले characters नहीं दिखते.
Okay, नहीं दिखते.
They don't have much of a energy. मतलब जैसे अगर living human being के मुंह पे ऐसे थोड़ा तेज लगेगा कि हाँ life force है ये बंदे में ऐसे. तो उस हिसाब से थोड़ा सा उनका बहुत
they're blurring out kind of
dead energy लगती है. Most of the time they see them as a white blob of energy.
Okay.
Or maybe their blurred physical appearance, whatever that was that time.
Okay. Have you went anywhere where you have felt like, okay, यहाँ पर भाई कुछ अलग ही energy है, and I think I should like get out of here right now.
I was just speaking to someone in the morning today, and my last trip to Scotland. Okay, so Scotland it has got a very wonderful, rich history. तो वो city के नीचे ना ऐसे सारे, I think they're called dungeons. I don't know what they're called.
Correct,
So
yes.
ऐसे वो rooms हैं जहाँ उनकी history के हिसाब से there were people who were literally staying there. There's no window, there's no light, there is no air. But उनके पास ऐसी condition थी कि they had nowhere else to go, and that's why they were staying there. And our guide was telling us the story कि वहाँ आग लगी थी and many people died and all. The energy of that space was so heavy, despite me doing the protection for my entire family. We all came back with something or the other attached to us.
Really? So you have to do like any
We
kind
do
of
the
special
clean-
practice.
I do the cleansing, yes.
So is that something related to Reiki that you do, or it's a different practice that you do? It's a different practice that you do.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I will not be able to name it, but I do what my guides guide me to in that moment.
Do you feel any energies in here right now?
No.
It's safe,
No.
positive, good vibes.
Yes, I've cleansed it before coming.
Oh, I'm glad I wanted to see your face while I asked you that. You should have said yes. She would have ran down right now. Okay, I would like to ask, what happens many times is that जैसे आपने बताया, that spirit had followed you, जिसका accident हो गया था. I know many people who may feel those kind of burdens, like you kind of felt it on your shoulders, right? So how would you know that okay, ये shoulder कुछ मेरा frozen shoulder नहीं है, but some spirit trying to get in touch with me. And if you are open to it, कभी-कभी वो intuition आ जाता है. So if you are open to it, then how you welcome it, or if not, then how you just say, like you said, unavailable, how you do that.
So I would suggest that if a person is not trained into the energy healings and energy works or any spirit communication, they should reach out to someone like me who can help them. जो बहुत sensitive होते हैं, या आजकल people are very curious about other modalities, and if they've learned some modalities, they will, by their intuition, they will know कि okay, something is feeling off and this is not correct. Because this is not something, it's not a child's play.
Okay.
So because even if when I am dealing with them, the voice is really of lot of love and compassion. I cannot speak to them कि अरे क्या है ये, I can't be rude to them. No. Then sometimes you come across some naughty spirits that they can harass you.
Okay.
So
have you had any experience like that?
Thankfully not.
Oh, thank God, right?
My doors are closed. My doors are closed for
naughty spirits.
Yes.
Okay.
I only people, only spirit who really genuinely needs help, or they are here either to cross over or to contribute. Only those spirits can connect with me.
Connect to you. Okay. And so, you kept talking about your master, your guides. Seems like you're very well connected to them. Not everyone can. What are the ways कि एक इंसान अपने जो guides है या अपने master है उससे connect हो सके?
Meditation is the best way. And so we have all sorts of guides and angels around us. So we tap into that energy. कभी-कभी हमें लगता है कि अरे I have always been taken care in my life. मतलब कुछ भी मुसीबत आता है मुझे रास्ता तो मिल ही जाता है. That's your guide clearing your path for you. So tap into that energy. Go through the meditation and speak to them. You should have a relationship with your guide as if you would have with your mother or with your friend or with your spouse.
Okay, so that's a way for you to connect to them. What I would want to know here is the fact that connecting to guide can become a big of a task. Like you said, it's not possible for some people to even sit in meditation to do that. Is there like some signs or something that you have to do, or some mantras you have to chant for you to get connected to these people, or it's just simple and plain? I'm overcomplicating this. Is that what it is?
So अगर आपको ट्रस्ट ही नहीं है खुद पे कि मैं मेरे गाइड्स के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकती हूँ, बात वहीं खत्म हो जाती है. And there is also another thing, that there is so much of information available on internet. How would you know the one information piece that you are consuming is right for you?
Correct.
So मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि this should be done with one thing, that you have a faith in yourself, कि no matter what मेरा connection तो वहाँ बहुत अच्छा है. All guides are going to show up at this point of time or other point of time in my life. या फिर आप किसी mentor की help ले लो who can guide you, या फिर आप meditative practices में you can tap into those energy. These are
Okay.
the ways you can
And you can guide people to find their guides and everything like that.
yes.
Okay,
yes.
you can do that.
Anyone who's willing to receive the information, anyone who is not coming to test me and my capabilities, I
Then
can,
it works.
because ये लोग जो आते हैं कि अच्छा मुझे देखना है वो क्या कर सकती है, they coming from a place of lot of reservation and blockages themselves. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो यू शुड नॉट डिग डीप इनटू द रिकॉर्ड्स. द सिमिलर वे आप आओ, फेथ के साथ आओ, आप एक कि मुझे इसका आंसर जानना है. द चर्निंग दैट आई वाज फीलिंग, वी टॉक अबाउट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ चर्निंग आपको हो रहा है कि ओ आई वांट टू चेंज समथिंग अबाउट माय सेल्फ. नहीं, मुझे उनके साथ तो कनेक्ट करना ही. सो ये सारे जब आपके अंदर से आपको जब सिम्टम्स आते हैं, दैट टाइम you are ready to connect with your guides.
Okay. Can it happen where a person is turning spiritual all of a sudden, or they have been like that kind of person, but not religious? You know, I feel that there is a
There's a
difference,
difference,
right?
yes.
Because religion is the practices that you're consistently following, but spirituality is what comes from within. So, person is turning spiritual, and could that be a sign that the divine is trying to connect with you, or the guides are trying to connect with you?
Yes, yes.
That could
That
be one
would
of
be
those
signs. We have heard about the number synchronicities. There's, continuously hearing to the tunes, or someone is telling you one kind of a thing कि अगर कोई है कि अच्छा आपको वो MBA कोर्स में enroll कर लेना चाहिए, you just thinking but you're not very sure what you should be doing. तो आपका फ्रेंड भी बोल देगा अच्छा I read about this university, they have very good management degree courses, or you will read an ad into say Instagram or somewhere कि so these are your signs that your guides are ready to communicate with you. आप कितना receptive हो, you sit in that moment and you say कि show me what I have to do. Guides have their way of communicating with you. That's also a good connection with your guide. आपको ऐसे आमने सामने बैठ के ही बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है गाइड के साथ. तो a person feeling a connection is more important than thinking कि मैं वर्ड से बात कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं, मैं देख सकता हूँ कि नहीं. No. You just feel them, then they are there.
Can human experiences take them away from you? Like you said, anger, ego, lust, greed, everything is part of human part, and everything is required to a certain level with healthy boundaries. If you're doing too much of those things, can the guide leave you, or be like, okay, I cannot be with this person anymore?
Our guides never leave us. It's just that we don't see them or feel them.
Okay.
Because we have created those kind of layers within us, which serves as a blockage. They never leave us. They are always there. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई egoistic बंदा है तो उसका कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा, या कोई angry बंदा है जो he doesn't know कि उसका anger कैसे manage करना है तो उसके life में miracles नहीं होगा. ऐसे हो सकता है कि in that anger he is not able to see those magic and miracles that is happening around him.
So that kind of blocks. That could possibly block because you're too much into it at that point.
Yes.
All right. So ये अपन जितनी भी सारी बातें कर रहे हैं, आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स हो गए, your past karmas हो गए, the soul selects your parents, soul select the parents, and so on and so forth. How much do you feel that the astrology and numerology can also be very similar to akashic record, or are they separate? Because many times they go like, अरे तुम financially ये loss कर रहे हो, इसके लिए तुम you're not able to do this, and you have done this thing in your past or whatever. So according to the astrology or numerology, that's one. Second, sometimes they go like, you're born in this world, but you cannot stay at your Janmabhoomi. Like let's say I'm born in Mumbai, and you know what, that is the reason you're struggling, because of the fact that you are there. You have to leave. So how much does this matter?
Astrology is a beautiful science. It has been helping many people. My understanding is कि जिन्होंने एस्ट्रोलॉजी इन्वेंट की है, हमारे ऋषि मुनियों ने, हमारे पुराने लोगों ने, how did they know about the planets and all the Anka Shastra that is required for astrology? They have tapped into the Akashic realm to find out about the entire science. It is said that our Rishi Muni were, they had that ability, जो जिसे हम आज आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड रीडिंग बोल रहे हैं, they had that ability to take their awareness, take their consciousness into those higher realms and tap from that entire information का जो सब available है वहाँ से, and that's how they have created कि भाई this is our galaxy, this is other galaxies, ये स्टार जब यहाँ होता है तो ऐसा गणित बैठेगा, और एंड देन दे हैव डेवलप्ड ऑन इट कि ये सिचुएशंस में ह्यूमन लाइफ के क्या क्या होता है उनका, राइट? दैट्स वन थिंग. So the other thing that you asked me about कि sometimes they come up with this thing कि आपको अपनी जन्मभूमि छोड़ के बाहर जाना है, so you will get your success there. How come that is said that? They have said, आपका birth chart देख के उन्होंने बताया है, they are not wrong. You have a karmic contract with that city, that place, that country कि जब आप वहाँ जाओगे वो contract complete करोगे तो you will see the abundance in your life. It is as simple as that.
Okay, so it's like something, a karmic account still waiting to clear out.
Yes.
And when that eventually clears out, that doesn't matter what happens, you step away.
What do you think? जो हम इतनी जगह पे घूमने जाते हैं, we tell ourselves, oh, it's a family vacation. It's not a family vacation. You have the karma of that place in some other lifetime that you need to complete. That's why आप सोच रहे हो कि अच्छा मैं इस साल यहाँ जाऊँगा, इस साल मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. और कभी कभी you must have seen कि कोई की ट्रिप में ऐसे incidences भी हो जाते हैं कि कुछ खराब इंसिडेंट भी होते हैं, कुछ अच्छे इंसिडेंसेस भी होते हैं. So you going and visiting those places to complete your karma. So
Okay,
it's like that.
So it's okay. So somehow, somewhere, it's all interrelated to each other.
We all are, related to each other. We think कि मैं हूँ, ये मैं करता हूँ, ये मैं कर रही हूँ. No, we are just playing the part that we are supposed to play in that huge jigsaw puzzle.
So today you are here. It's something we were supposed to meet as
I
well.
was supposed to do, right? आज जो ये पॉडकास्ट सुनेंगे वो हजारों लोग, उनको भी शायद एक सेंटेंस जो हमारे कन्वर्सेशन में बहुत ही नॉर्मल था, हमने उसके तरफ ध्यान भी नहीं दिया, उनको वो सेंटेंस आहा मोमेंट हो जाएगा.
Right.
So we are going to reach out to so many people जिनके लिए ये information बहुत important
Needed थी शायद.
Yeah. So it's like a jigsaw puzzle कि मेरे बगैर वो puzzle complete भी नहीं होगा, but I am not the only one who's completing the puzzle. जब human life ने ये समझ लिया कि भाई there is no I, it's I am part of this entire huge scheme, हमारे काफी चीजें बहुत सेटल हो जाएंगी, बहुत हार्मनी हो जाएगी लाइफ में.
Okay, wow, that's wonderful. I really appreciate that answer because बहुत सारे लोगों को ये confusion शायद आ रहा है because मेरे thought process में वो आया कि okay, you know what, how does that work and how does this particular thing work? Now taking this conversation to a little bit of a different realm here is there are a lot of things called shamanic ways, and I think there are a lot of other drugs out there, like I think there's ayahuasca as well, where if you take, you have to be very careful. I think there has to be a master present with you who knows how to use that particular drug for you to have an experience of a realm which is in a different zone, a different realm completely.
Right.
How true is that?
So in some communities, yes, some indigenous people, they do use this kind of a medicine, but it's in a very controlled manner, as you said, under the guidance of the mentor or some other community members. So who are shamans? They are the indigenous people of each and every part of the world. These are the people who lived in harmony with the environment, with Mother Earth, with all the elements of our existence. They prayed to the elements, they prayed to fire, they prayed to water, they spoke to animals, they spoke to plants. That was the way the human beings were supposed to be living. So आप उसे spirituality का नाम दो, आप shamanic ways of living बोलो, या आप उसे Vedic culture बोलो. Everything is teaching us to stay in harmony with everything around us. It's a way of life. इसमें कोई rules regulation नहीं है कि मुझे ये श्लोक पढ़ने हैं, मुझे ये करना है, या मैं ऐसे करूँगा, do's don'ts नहीं है. This is how you live. मतलब जैसे हम सांस ले रहे हैं, या हम पानी पीते हैं, या हम खाते हैं, या भगवान को याद करते हैं. It is इतना वो सहज है हमारे लिए. हम जब वो सहज state में आते हैं, so then we can connect with our guides, we can access our records, we can find that light within us that is residing in everyone. So,
It's just, I think, buried down inside for some, and
so there are generational trauma hai, a lot of inner child trauma hai, या societal conditioning है. It's like you think of us as an onion. ये हमारा बेचारा soul है और ये layers 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 हैं. तो ये हमारी लाइफ में जो हम बोलते हैं कि लेसन लर्न करना है, वो क्या है? ये एक एक लेयर्स निकाल के हमको हमारे सोल को ढूंढना है. That's the only thing we are supposed to do.
And you only find your soul once your lessons are learned, right?
Yes.
Or is it somewhere you can find your soul and then learn your
So
lessons?
there is
as
nothing called finding your soul. मतलब जब
well? Or connecting with your inner self.
connecting with your inner self.
But can one do that while they are learning lessons?
Yes, absolutely. I always tell everyone this. Healing is not linear. ठीक है? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं 0.0 से मैं 0.10 पे पहुंच गई तो मैं completely healed हूँ. No, I am healing. I'm still healing. Still I am helping others. I'm still contributing to the humanity at large. But मेरा healing the ongoing process है ना. So yeah. I think it's with everyone. All the healers,
absolutely. I think it's
they are also on their own journey.
Okay, so that is working with them as well.
Yes.
You know, there's a concept of you spoke about earlier that you're connecting with the animals, the plants, and all. There's a concept called finding your spirit animal,
Yes.
right? And what is that concept? And it's like, what am I talking about? Am I looking about my own past person, or is like completely different concept you're talking about here?
No, it's a different concept, and you asked a very interesting question, very close to my heart. So this is a spirit animal that we are talking about. These animals are in a spirit form into the higher realms. Okay. So why are they here? They are here to support us. Okay. Abhi, I didn't know anything about this till I found out my own spirit animal, which is wolf, black panther, and firefly. That's my shadow animal.
Why? How come you have like all the khatarnak wale spirit animal? What's up with that? You have like a wolf, black panther, and fireflies. Like you don't mess with me.
Firefly is a shadow animal that I work with, and that was something of a kind of a lesson that I had to learn in my life. But these are the spirit animals. They जैसे हमारे guides होते हैं, angels होते हैं, archangels होते हैं. आप बोलोगे कि मैं archangel Michael के साथ काम करता हूँ. So those are kind of a energies जिनको हम humans ने नाम दिया हुआ है. उनको बोला है कि भाई आप ये realm में रहते हो. The similar way, the spirit animals are also there. They are into energetic form. जैसे हम दूसरे guides के साथ energetically connect करते हैं, हम उनके साथ भी connect कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
So I started seeing a wolf in my meditations, and I would feel very happy connecting with the energy. And so that was a very surprise thing for me कि ये क्या हो रहा है. हम लोगों ने तो ऐसा कभी सुना नहीं है कि आप ऐसे connect करते हो. So I did a little bit of research. I asked my guides, and what is this? And that is how I connected with them. That is how I have created my own oracle dice set, which is made out of the elements, using them as a symbol. These spirit animals, what do they do? जब अगर a person is going through a very tough time, suppose, or it is very difficult for them to hold their space or say no. ये मैं नहीं कर सकती, ये मैं नहीं कर सकता. It's very difficult for them to get that strength and say certain things. And then I would suggest them to connect with the energy of lion or a tiger, because that is about courage and strength. So when you are tapping into those energies, you see your energy body shifting, and slowly you will have that kind of a courage where you are taking those steps for standing up for yourself, creating boundaries, या doing certain things. हमें कभी कोई चीजों के लिए बहुत डर लगता है. We were talking about some intuitive beings, but they are not ready to connect with that higher realm because they are operating from the place of fear. So the connecting with the energy of a tiger or a lion will help you to overcome that fear slowly. You will see that आपके thought patterns change हो रहे हैं, आपके reaction या response change हो रहा है to any particular situation. Where is this energy coming from? This energy is coming from the spirit animals that you are working with.
Okay. So how would I know what is my spirit animal?
So there are two things here. One, if spirit animals think that you are ready to receive them and to know about them, they will show up in your space. You know, you constantly keep on seeing about the documentaries of an elephant, or you will constantly see the picture. आप कहीं friends के साथ गए party करने, आपके बाजू में जो बैठा है उसका wallpaper है elephant. You know, you meet someone the other day in office or something, and they say talking about the animal conservation. Or elephant conservation. So these are your cues that okay, maybe I'm getting attracted to this energy. So you speak to your guides and find out.
It's like, I think Bhakti's dream always trying to catch a lion or kill a lion or run away with a lion.
But here, we are talking about the dream analysis. What is the message that dream is bringing you? Where are you in your life at this phase that, you know, what are you so fearful of? This is not spirit animal.
Oh, okay. So this is a different concept completely altogether. The spirit animal concept is more similar to the Chinese concept, right? Is that so? Like they have these dragons and all, right? So is it a similar concept you're talking about that as well? Or again, this is a different thing?
I don't know about their Chinese concepts, but yes, dragon can be your spirit animal.
Dragon can be your spirit animal.
I know few people who have connected with the unicorn, जिनको हम सिर्फ Disney stories में सुनते हैं, but these are mythical creatures. People connect with them, and they have brought them very beautiful results. So what you will connect with you, it's going to be very specific to your personality or your energy.
You know, in between this talk of spirit animal, you have spoken about, you know, there's this person that...
Archangel Michael.
Archangel Michael, yes. So there was this, you know, SSR का हुआ था, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जब भी mishap हुआ था, unfortunately. May his soul rest in peace. There was this YouTube channel that had come up, and the person was talking to this angel. And you're like, oh, please connect me to the soul of Sushant. And, you know, Sushant literally YouTube पे है कि Sushant के voice में somebody saying that, you know, what has happened with him. Is that something very true, or is it something के okay?
So this is a different kind of a mediumship. This kind of a mediumship cannot be learned. The person is gifted with that.
This is like literally you're calling upon someone.
Yes, they are talking to dead people, and they are able to invoke those dead people. This is a very different kind of a mediumship.
Okay, but that could be true. Is that
true? Yes, but at the same time, we should also understand that there are some people जिनकी वजह से ये healing का या wellness का भी नाम खराब होता है. They are taking advantage of people by doing this.
Misusing.
So make sure, if someone wants to approach that kind of a medium, they should know that, you know, they have a good body of work behind them, and they have, you know, a good reference before approaching them.
Correct. You know, so this thing that what you said is very true, right? Because there has been so many of the astrologers, numerologists, you know, we have some healers like yourself, so many other people out there. How does one connect with you? So let's say I want to find my healer, and how do I know that Vinita is the one for me?
So what my clients have said is that the same thing, that हम लोगों ने इतने YouTube वीडियो देखे, हम लोगों ने Instagram पे इतना scroll किया. One thing commonly they all say is that when we saw you on the screen, we instantly connected with you.
Okay.
I think that is their cue, probably.
Okay. So that is something that it's their
they
calling
would
to
know.
find.
They would know.
This is a healer for me, and I need to connect with that. Because what happens sometimes now, all the healers, they talk in such a way that some people scare you. Some people tell you the right things. I mean, maybe they don't want to scare you, but just the fact that they are telling you things that scares the heck out of you, you know. So that's what my thought process comes across, is that what happens is that you're so scared listening to them, yaar yehi bande ya bandi ke paas mera solution hoga. You know, even in that particular manner, is there some kind of meditation technique that you can show that, you know, try to do this and you'll find your way, or you find a way to your healer?
The simplest way a layman could do is, see, someone who's very intuitive and understanding their energy उनके लिए ये आंसर ढूंढना थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इजी होगा, बट समवन जो कंप्लीटली कनेक्टेड नहीं है से एनर्जी वर्ल्ड से, यार उनको कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, अगर वो गाइडेंस के लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं तो सिंपल टेक्निक व्हाट दे कैन डू इज जस्ट क्लोज देयर आईज, सिट इन अ क्वाइट प्लेस, focus on their breath, drop their awareness into their heart center. When we are saying heart center, not our physical heart, but actually the center of our chest, drop their awareness there and patiently wait for the answer, and they will have their
They
answer.
will have the answer. Is that also a way to enhance your intuitiveness?
One of the way.
One of the ways. What could be the other way that you can guide us? I'm taking all of the things I can from you today.
Before that, there was this one thing I wanted to speak about. It just went away in background while I was answering this. Yeah. So, सबसे पहले तो सबसे important thing, you trust yourself. Not doubting कि अच्छा ये तो ना मैं imagine कर रही हूँ. वही सारा the killer thing happens.
Okay.
You killing that intuitive vibe that you are getting. Observing your patterns and differentiating कि okay, हम बहुत बार बोलते हैं कि अरे मुझे लग रहा था ये वाली ट्रेन लेना चाहिए था. That's your intuition speaking, but you override that. So make note of all those incidences and see how it sounds and it feels to you.
Okay.
That's how you can develop your intuition.
Okay. So, now since we know our world, how it's made, and I feel that you're very beautifully explained कि हम क्यों क्या चीज से go through कर रहे हैं, क्या हमारा life structure है. I don't know for others or not, but for me, I feel having this conversation has given me a lot of clarity. So we spoke about so many things in our conversation today, and one thing I feel that people have not been able to take advantage of, जो tools हमारे पास available हैं, call it spirituality हो गई, manifestation हो गया, meditation हो गया. As a humans, I feel that के understanding शायद नहीं है या समझ नहीं आता है क्या है क्या नहीं करके. So how can a person utilize these three beautiful tools given to us to ensure that के जो life lessons हम सीखने वाले हैं, हम जो life go through करने वाले हैं, उसे हम थोड़ा आसान कर दें या उसे हम करेक्ट तरीके से मैनिफेस्ट कर पाए?
So सबसे पहले तो हमें समझना है कि spirituality and religion is not one thing. Religion, we can say that it is a knowledge, and spirituality is a way of life, right? Why I am starting my statement with this, because I have seen that many young people, they are of the opinion कि अरे नहीं मेडिटेशन करेंगे तो हम बहुत स्पिरिचुअल हो जाएंगे. जो स्पिरिचुअल लोग होते हैं वो बहुत ये सब पूजा पाठ करते हैं, बट स्पिरिचुअलिटी में पूजा पाठ नहीं करना है. हमें मेडिटेशन भी हम क्यों करते हैं? टू अलाइन विथ आवर ओन सेल्फ. ये अलाइनमेंट में क्या हो रहा है? आपने मैनिफेस्टेशन की बात की कि अच्छा मेरा मैनिफेस्टेशन है प्रोबेबली कि आई वांट टू अर्न एक्स अमाउंट. मेरे बहुत सपने बड़े हैं, मुझे एक्स नहीं डबल एक्स 2x अमाउंट मुझे कमाना है. क्वाइटनिंग योर माइंड, सिटिंग विथ योर सेल्फ, having a very self-reflective kind of a time with you, which spirituality offers, will help you कि अच्छा, do I have the capacity to manifest 2x amount? Am I equipped? Am I skilled? अच्छा ठीक है, if I'm not skilled, then how much I can manifest? Can I manifest X amount? How am I going to take it forward? Okay, this is what the changes that I'm going to make within myself. If I have to learn some new skills, if I have to change some attitudes, if I have to release some limiting beliefs, वो मैं करूँगा, and then I'm going to get my manifestation.
Okay.
So ये जो सारे tools आप अभी थेरेपी में भी देखोगे, आप साइंस बेस्ड सारे थेरेपी में भी देखेंगे, ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? जो हमारे मेडिटेशन में जो हमें सिखाया जाता है वही सारे टेक्निक्स डिफरेंटली विथ लॉट ऑफ साइंटिफिक रिसर्च फैक्ट्स के साथ प्रेजेंट किया जाता है. बट ये हमारे एंसेस्टर्स ने हमें हमेशा सिखाया है कि आप ध्यान लगाओ, आप अपना अच्छा खाओ, आप एक्सरसाइज करो, राइट? व्हेन यू आर अडॉप्टिंग अ वेज ऑफ बीइंग स्पिरिचुअल, ये सारा वैसे ही कम हो जाता है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस कि ये ठीक नहीं है, एंड that understanding helps you to move towards your inner world, which holds everything. questions भी
different
वहीं से
karmic accounts as well.
yes, हमारे questions भी वहीं से आते हैं within us, answers भी within us आते
Hmm.
हैं.
Tell me about what you do, Vinita, exactly, and how can you help people get better of this realms that you can access?
So, my work includes accessing the Akashic records, channeling messages for people. There are two different things. Akashic record readings, we are looking into the lifetimes. Channeling is bringing you very in the moment. आपको क्या messages की ज़रूरत है वो. I do spirit communication because people come up with the issues. I do tarot reading, and I practice almost 12 to 15 modalities, and I teach all of them. So Akashic हो गया या channeling हो गया, spirit communication हो गया, reading cards, playing cards, सारा. I teach that as well. Now, when I am into the session, say someone, and if I feel कि Akashic से तो guidance आ गया, I did the healing also, but that person still needs some guidance for the current life, then I would use merge my different modalities and bring them the answer. The idea is कि वो session इतना fulfilling हो that he or she feels that कि मुझे clarity मिला, मुझे कोई एक direction मिली मेरे life में where I was feeling extremely stuck. So that's how it is. It's a combination of all the modalities that I feel is right for them in that moment.
Understood. Okay, so you do all of that. And
Yeah.
what are the ways people can connect to you?
So they can reach out to me through my website, thehigherselfhealing.com, or they can connect with me on WhatsApp. You can probably share the number.
I'll share the number there. Okay. You have an Instagram and Facebook page where you share details as well.
Yeah, Instagram account, again, the Higher Self Healing. Facebook account, that's also Higher Self Healing. So even if my name is Vinita Amol Rege, but I practice as because I feel when I am saying the Higher Self Healing, earlier it was called something else. Even that has got an interesting story because I feel I provide a very wholesome healing to a person who is coming.
Okay.
And when they are working with me for a longer time, they see a lot of transformation into their physical body, energy body, and I help them achieve their goals, what they have to achieve in their life, or what they have decided.
Or to learn the lessons that they're doing. Okay.
Yes. Learning the lesson becomes easier.
Yeah, yes, absolutely. I can really appreciate, the beautiful conversation that we had today. We had a lot of switch of energies going on. We went from the souls to the humans, to the learning lessons. But I'm sure whoever watches or listens to today's podcast will definitely find some aspect of aha moment for them. Because हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे topics को touch किया है which has been very sensitive. I've went through a lot of podcasts. I've not come across something very similar. Although there are a lot of topics like that, but I felt for me there was a lot of aha moments. And I really appreciate that you were here today with us and you're sharing this beautiful experience of yours with us and our audiences. And
thank you for having me here. When I spoke to you for the first time and you invited me for this podcast, the first thing I really related with you when you said that you want this information to be out there for so many people to understand what actually and how it really works. As we said, कि इतना सारा information available है, आप उसमें से कैसे choose करोगे? There was this time when during COVID time, I didn't have an Instagram page that time. So my clients and my students used to come and say, "Ki Vinita, why are you not on social media?" Because I am very old school. So I felt ki if my work has to speak, it will show it as a result into my client's life, or they will speak about my work to others. So why I have to say? They said ki because of this attitude of yours, there are people who have just learned healings or tarot or something like that, 2 months, 3 months, and they are guiding people. You are hiding your essence by not bringing it out and helping people to empower themselves.
Correct.
So that was the first step where I actually came on social media. So that was my aha moment when they said, this is what is happening. So we not taking action of contributing to the life or doing something or talking about what we are doing. We are giving a chance for people who are not capable and or who are misguiding others.
especially for
हमारा
people who are
response-
gifted like you know. It's
Yeah,
there.
so वो हमारा responsibility हो जाता है that we speak about the right things that they can pick up.
Correct. And I'm grateful that you came to our podcast to share about that.
Yeah, thank you for having me here.
You're welcome. And for my beautiful audience today, I hope that इसमें से आपको कोई आपका मस्त आहा मोमेंट मिला होगा, क्योंकि मेरे को तो बहुत सारे मिले हैं इसके अंदर से. And I truly enjoyed today's conversation because of the fact that I think कहीं ना कहीं हम सबको ये सवाल हमारे दिल में है, शायद हम पूछते हैं, शायद हम नहीं पूछते हैं. हम इसे कभी कभी अंधविश्वास बोलते हैं या whatever you want to call it, but it's there because we all are here as a soul and we are here to learn our ways till the time we take our last breath. So, but what did we learn today? We learned that our soul selects our parents. So be happy with who you have because you are the one who selected them. Second, parallel worlds do exist, and that is there. You will know, and you might know now because you have already watched the podcast. Third thing, that it can change your life lessons to be much easier if you have just tapped into the right energy. You have three most powerful tools that you can use: spirituality, meditation, and manifestation, to ensure that you can reach your goal faster. And you have a beautiful guide here who can help you get connected to your spirit guides or your spirit animals so that the life becomes easier. Well, you heard this on Kabir Wani podcast, and I'm really glad that we are the ones sharing this beautiful journey with you. Share this with your friends and family who may want to understand how the Akashic record works. Does the parallel universe is there? How to get connected to the guides? Or if they feel that कुछ तो भी गड़बड़ है, energies feel हो रही है, but you don't know what's going on, and this is where you can figure out by connecting to Vinita and getting your guidance. Well, make sure go ahead and follow my account on Instagram at @KabirWani. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at @KabirWani, and don't forget to share this with everyone that you feel can learn something out of it. And people who have already subscribed to my channel, a beautiful heart to you.